You might be familiar with the idea of spy tools, right? Where you can go sign up to these different paid tools to spy on people's advertising. And you can see what kind of ads they're running, what kind of keywords are they using? Are they using videos? Are they using graphics? All the stuff that you might want to learn about what's successful out on the internet. And so that you can look at that and it can help you make decisions about your business. And in fact, it can help you even start an entire business. Now, I've done things where I go out and I look and see what ads are running, what kinds of things are successfully selling, and then I start an entire business just based on that information. And Google just handed you an awesome spy tool, and it's free. So this is part of their ad transparency effort. And they're saying they're doing this because they want a safe and open internet. So I think they have bowed to some political pressure regarding elections and election interference and privacy and all these other things. And so they are offering this to allow us to have a little bit of a sneak peek, to look behind the curtain, so to speak, and see what ads are running. Walmart. Oh, that's interesting here. So we can also see, get a little sneak preview of how many ads are showing up. So Walmart Canada, interestingly enough, seems to be the one that has the most ads. And look at that. We can just like scroll through their ads. That doesn't seem fair, does it? But we can scroll through their ads and take a look and see what they're advertising on. And if we click it, we can get a little bit of info about the ad. You can see when it was last shown. Here is a graphical ad right here. Yeah, it looks like they're advertising the Walmart app. That's quite interesting. Wow, here's another one. We're getting political here today. BlackRock. Well, there's all kinds of BlackRock stuff. BlackRock Inc. Is that them? It is. There we go. So we can see the ads that help them rule the universe right here. Here's another good one. Let's try HubSpot. They're a big business-to-business advertiser. Oh yeah, 2,000 ads. So HubSpot advertises to business, offering a variety of different marketing tools. That's actually quite interesting. So I highly recommend this be part of your market research strategy. And so what you can do, whether you just want to look into a market, and what I would do is go find all of the big advertisers, and I would start this process by going to the Google search directly, or perhaps looking at YouTube ads that you might see running on YouTube and get some ideas, build a list of related advertisers that you want to investigate. You go to the Ad Transparency Center, you pop them in there, and you get a chance to now look at their ads. If they're currently advertising right now, you might get some signals as to how long they've been advertising, what's working, what's not working, and then you can adapt some of what they're doing into your own campaigns. Or let's say you notice a particular product type or a particular service or a particular marketing angle. You can now work that into your business in launching your own products using the same strategies. I'd like to set you up with a free demo of Pushbutton AI. Right now, Pushbutton AI is closed to the public, but we do allow private beta access. And if you're interested in finding out how you can have our AI technology create an entire business for you, where it could create a 12-module training course that you can sell to users, a free report, a squeeze page, a sales page, a 30-day email sequence, videos, audios, a logo, and a whole lot more. It's everything to build a complete business. If you'd like to get a live demo of that, text us with the word demo. Text us DEMO for the free demo to be able to see this technology in action, because what we'll do, one of our marketing experts will get on a one-on-one Zoom call with you and they will demo the technology. And while you're on there, they'll help you with picking niche markets, selecting what kind of a course you might want to build, and they'll show in front of your eyes how it works. You're going to see how the Pushbutton AI software can dramatically speed up your time to market so that you can build an entire business. It literally registers your domain name for you. It picks your domain name for you, sets up your hosting, launches your entire business, all while you watch. You get a chance to see how the technology can make all of that stuff for you, and it's push button simple. Now, I do want to say, even though it's push button simple and it really speeds up the time to profit, you really need to be aware that any business that you create, that you try to profit from, takes effort, energy, money, time, and commitment. And only if you're willing to put those into your new business should you set up a demo. We have special niche coaching that is powered by AI that will help you select your niche market, help you figure out what kind of a course to create the entire 12-lesson training course. It's ready to deploy. They'll do that for you live on Zoom one-on-one. So text the number you see on your screen. And by the way, make sure you like, subscribe, and engage with us on this video. Do all that stuff. I have lots more great content coming. So we'll see you next time.